Ever wonder how you could make money just by downloading an app? What if I told you there are apps out there that could help you earn $80 or even more with just a few taps on your phone? Yes, you heard that right. Money for downloading apps. And these opportunities aren't limited to just a few countries. They're available worldwide, including the US, UK, Australia, India, and more. Stay with me because today I'll reveal the top 5 apps that will help you earn cash simply by downloading them. And here's the kicker. These apps are free and don't require a credit card or any investment up front. Ready to boost your income? Stick around to find out how. Before diving in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Don't miss any updates on how you can earn more in your spare time. Number 1, instaGC. Starting with instaGC, this app gives you a straightforward way to earn money by doing things you probably already do online. Whether it's taking surveys, watching videos, or just browsing websites, instaGC turns these activities into an opportunity to earn. What sets this app apart is how open they are about their payment system. Their Facebook page is full of real users showing off their earnings, from $66 sent via PayPal to $80 directly deposited into their bank accounts. There are even folks cashing in on $65 Amazon gift cards. The options are broad, and you have control over how you cash out. instaGC works on a point system, where you accumulate points for every task you complete. These points can then be exchanged for real-world rewards, whether it's a PayPal payout, an Amazon gift card, or even a bank transfer. Want to maximize your earnings? Here's a pro tip. Open multiple tabs and watch several videos simultaneously. This way, you're boosting your income streams without doing anything extra. Signing up is quick and easy. You can use your Facebook, Google, or Twitter account, and as a little bonus, they give you 10 free points just for signing up. Number 2, appKarma. Next up is appKarma, another app that allows you to earn money for free, and it's available on both iOS and Android devices. Like instaGC, you can cash out your earnings through PayPal or choose from a variety of top brand gift cards. What makes appKarma stand out is how simple it is to get started. Download the app, log in each day, and watch the rewards start rolling in. For new users, there's a sign-up bonus of 300 points, which is equivalent to $3. No effort required beyond downloading and registering, but appKarma doesn't stop there. If you're looking to boost your earnings, you can take advantage of their referral program. For every friend you invite, you'll earn 30% of whatever they make. So if your friend pulls in $100, you automatically receive $30, all without lifting a finger. Consistent use is also rewarded here. Log in daily and you'll collect bonuses and badges that can significantly increase your payout rates. For instance, those $100 earnings can easily become $125 by using badges to enhance your rewards. It's these small adjustments that can have a big impact on your overall income, making appKarma a solid choice for anyone wanting to make money with minimal effort. Number 3, CashKick. CashKick is a straightforward way to get paid for doing simple tasks. This app revolves around earning cold, hard cash, and it's designed to make the process hassle-free. You'll have various options to earn, from taking surveys to watching videos, and even checking out exclusive deals. What really stands out with CashKick, though, is how quickly they get your money to you. They don't mess around with complicated point systems. Instead, they send your earnings directly to your PayPal or bank account. That's right, real money in your hands. Fast. Signing up is a breeze. All you need is your email and a password, and you're ready to go. No complicated forms or waiting periods. The best part, you can start earning cash right away. CashKick's low payout threshold makes it ideal for people who don't want to wait ages to see results. And here's a tip. Focus on watching videos because they tend to pay out more than other tasks. It's an easy way to boost your earnings without putting in much extra effort. Number 4, superpay.me. Superpay.me is another excellent app for anyone looking to get paid quickly. With payments processed within 24 hours, it's perfect if you're after fast cash for your online efforts. You can start earning right from the moment you sign up. Surveys are the primary way to earn here. And what's cool is that the payout threshold is one of the lowest you'll find. This means you don't need to accumulate a ton of credits to cash out. Just a few completed surveys, and you're already on your way to collecting your earnings. When you sign up, superpay.me kicks things off with a small bonus, 20 cents just for registering. It might not seem like a lot, but it adds up once you start completing surveys and other offers. The variety of payout options is also a nice feature. Whether you prefer PayPal, gift cards, or even Bitcoin, SuperPay.me offers multiple ways to cash out. Transparency is key here. They display payment proofs in real time, so you know the money is flowing. Users can see their names alongside the amounts they've earned, which builds trust in the platform. It's simple, effective, and great for anyone looking to make some extra income without a long wait. Number 5. Smart App. Smart App is the definition of effortless passive income. All you need to do is install it on your device, and you'll start earning money for essentially doing nothing. Smart App works by collecting anonymous data from your device usage, and in return, they pay you every month. The more you use your phone as you normally would, the more consistent your earnings will be. It's an ideal setup if you're someone who doesn't want to spend time on surveys or tasks, but still wants to see some extra cash rolling in. The sign-up process is relatively simple. You'll answer a few basic surveys to determine whether you qualify. Once you're approved, all that's left is to install the app and let it run quietly in the background. It doesn't interfere with your daily phone usage, and you won't even notice it's there, except when the payments start arriving. Smart App is a great example of how technology can help you earn a passive income stream without much involvement. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking to make money with minimal effort. So there you have it, 5 apps that can help you make money just by downloading them. instaGC rewards you for simple online tasks. appKarma gives you passive income opportunities and referral bonuses. CashKick focuses on high-paying surveys and video watching. SuperPay.me is great for quick payouts, and Smart App is the easiest way to earn passive income. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to maximize your earnings. And if you have any questions or insights about these apps, drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more content designed to help you make money online. See you in the next video.